First, we prepare the area where the pink salt wall will be installed. We start by building a strong frame to support the entire wall. Inside this frame, we carefully install LED lights, which will later create the warm glow behind the salt bricks. Once the lighting setup is complete, we begin placing the Himalayan salt bricks one by one. These high-quality bricks are sourced from pinksaltwall.com and are carefully selected for the wall. As we continue placing the bricks, we frequently check the level to make sure everything stays straight and aligned. To give the structure extra stability, we also add screws for additional support where needed. After that, we measure and cut the bricks wherever necessary so they fit perfectly within the design and frame. Next, we apply Saltite adhesive to securely attach the bricks and continue placing them carefully across the entire wall. Once all the bricks are properly installed and the wall is complete, we add wooden strips along the sides. These wooden pieces help hold the bricks neatly in place and give the wall a clean, finished frame. And just like that, the Himalayan pink salt wall is fully installed and ready, creating a beautiful warm glow and a unique feature for the space.